If you have a Canon MX922 printer, and this is what your printing looks like when you print out a test page, then this video is for you. The purpose of this video is to help you fix the double characters that you're seeing under PGBK and where the lines are not straight, up and down for the PGBK. And if you notice, even down here under version 3.01, those characters are doubled as well. So I went through several steps trying to fix my problem. And my printing problem started when I was printing a document and I noticed that the black ink was getting lighter. And then I started seeing blank parts on the page. And then after about 1 minute or 2 minutes, I started getting blank pages altogether. So important, if you ever see the ink getting light on your documents, stop printing right away and replace your replace your ink. So anyway, I went through several steps trying to fix the problem. And here's what the document looks like once you get the problem fixed. But this was my final step where I replaced the printhead and that fixed the problem. This actually is a picture of what the timing strip looked like. I ended up ordering a new timing strip off of eBay, but it wasn't new. It was actually just as bad as this one. And so I'm going to just start this video by playing another video. With the printer turned off. Oh, this is... Open up the cover. I'm going to open up where it inks. And basically here I'm just showing you where the timing strip is. So there's going to be several steps that you could go through to try to fix your printing problem. One of those steps for some people is to clean the timing strip, which I'm trying to point to right here. And just make sure you clean the plastic timing strip with like isopropyl alcohol, preferably like 91%. 70% may work as well. But make sure you don't, right now I'm pointing to an aluminum track that the printhead runs on. There's going to be grease on that track, and it's meant to be there to lubricate that aluminum track. So don't clean that off. I've seen some people have cleaned that off, and they say, oh, my problem went away. Well, but now you have another problem where it's not getting lubrication, and the printhead's going to wear out on that writing on that aluminum track without any lubrication. Here's another video I played once I fixed my problem. I was getting over and over again where the PGBK was really, it was not straight. See the lines on the left here? They're not straight. See how the characters are like double? And then here is a good one. See the lines are straight. The PGBK characters are not double, so it's fixed. So basically, after I went through several steps, of trying to fix this problem. And one of the first steps was I tried to clean the printhead. And so basically, here's a little bit of a video where I'm trying to clean the printheads using a formula of 4 parts Windex to 1 part 91% isopropyl alcohol. And I cleaned this printhead many times, like 4 or 5 times, using this technique. And one time I ended up using these rubber tubes to blow air with high pressured air through this in such a way that I could clean the printhead better. However, I ended up with trying this on 3 printheads and with the same exact results where the printing was poor. And so some of the steps I went through to try to find this actual solution, because on YouTube I see so many people saying they fixed the problem, but they didn't fix the problem. So anyway, I've taken the printer apart several times to try to thoroughly clean the timing strip and also try to diagnose why I'm having the problem. If you take the printer apart, before you lift off the scanner, make sure that you disconnect 3 little wires that connect the scanner to the circuit board. And one time I forgot to do that, and I ended up damaging one of the wires where it connects to the circuit board, and I had to spend several, let's just say, hours trying to resolder another connector onto the circuit board just so I could use that same circuit board without having to buy a new circuit board. So make sure if you take the printer apart, make sure you disconnect those 3 wires. So anyway, many of the steps I went through, I thoroughly cleaned the timing strip. That didn't fix it. I bought a used timing strip on eBay for $9.99. That did not fix it, and actually that one was just as bad as mine. It had black ink spots on the timing strip, but in different locations than mine. I found where I could, on Amazon, I bought an authentic Canon PGBK XL ink cartridge for $30, and I ended up using up that whole cartridge trying to fix this problem. I bought a used print head on eBay for $37. That did not fix the problem. It printed exactly the same as my other 2 print heads I already had. By the way, the other print head was from a previous version of this printer. So I finally found a place to buy new Canon parts. And so I bought a timing strip, a new timing strip from Canon parts for just $1.53, but then $7 shipping. And my problem stayed the same. So I finally bought a brand new print head from Canon parts for $87.20. It turned out to be about $100 when you add tax and shipping. But so learn from my mistakes. Buy a new timing strip for $1.57 and a new print head from Canon for $87.20 plus $7 shipping plus tax. And then your double printing characters will go away. I mean, I've seen a lot of people where they said that they have fixed the printing, but then they say they still are getting double character lines like this, what you see. Anyway, if you replace the print head, then this problem too will probably go away for you. Anyway, I just thought I'd post this because I did not see a solution online, and sorry for my lack of producing a beautiful video, but if you follow these steps and listen to this, you'll come up with a good solution where it comes out beautiful looking just like that.